Thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. Today I want to show a flip through of a handmade journal. And this was given to me yesterday. Yesterday was my birthday and my mother made this for me. It took her months to do and she gave it to me for my birthday, and I just wanted to do a flip through to show everybody what she did. She had some great ideas and things she's seen online and things she came up with on her own, and it's just so fabulous. So she did this cover based on a video that I showed on how to decorate and do three-dimensional covers. Look at how fun this is. Of course, she put a dragonfly for me and the word love. She knows I love bees and dragonflies and owls, butterflies. Look at this cool cover. She did an awesome job on this cover. Lace down the spine and a sweet bird, and she put a steampunk bee dangle, and she did a bead that she made herself, and it ties. She put ties on it, and so it ties for a closure. She made it out of an old book, and it's the kind that is thread bound, and she left the papers inside that just as they were because this picture is just too cool. So she left that. She wrote a really neat saying to me, and then there's this cute belly band with sparkly bees and a bee jar that I can journal on the back of. She sewed around the edges of the page and used a pattern on her Pfaff sewing machine. And look at this cute page with butterflies and this tag with a wire charm, and you pull the tag out like this from the side pocket. And she cut along the edges of this scrapbook paper and made the pocket. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. And then this really cute page with a tag and a clip. And she ran this through her embosser. She sewed it. There's pattern paper, old vintage paper. Look at how pretty. It's beautiful. And this out of an old book. Lots of flowers and bees. Look at this cute journaling card, and it tucks behind this handmade paper with little tiny bees on it. So cute. I just love my book. Hope you guys like it too. So all her little edges are sewn. She did a vellum pocket and made these cute tags. Look at this cute tag with a vellum pocket over a tag. Lots of tucks and tags, lace on the edges. She did a cardboard textured heart coming from the bird. That's from some scrapbook paper we used to scrapbook together. And then I got her into journal making and altered books and art journaling, and now she's doing all that kind of stuff with me. Not with me, but she does it too. And then she embossed that on her little Sizzix machine. Made this cute pocket, but this Dare to Dream paper was some scrapbook paper we used to have. And look at this cute dragonfly on a clip and flowers, and she drew leaves. And look at this fun tag. She layered this nifty tag. So cool. Sewed it on her sewing machine and made it journaling on the back with a belly band. Cute, cute, cute. A doily, and look what she did to that doily. Isn't that pretty? It's cute. That was with a napkin over a tag. And I love this little cute clippy, and she did 2 chains and punched holes and put all these little cards on it, little flip bird cards. Each one is different with a bird image. So cute, on chains. And then did a background on the book page using a napkin that had birds on it to match. So cute. And this, I did a class on this on on a video on this, on making these clear windows. You use Mod Podge and you put all kinds of neat stuff in it. She used rubber stamps and stencils and leaves and fibers and strings and a feather. Super fun. I'll put a link to that video because it's super fun if you haven't made one of these. And this outside piece is done with wallpaper, so it just makes for a really, really cute flip or bookmark. And she used it as a flip to cover the journaling spot, so when I write in here, it's going to show through the little window. Super cute. Super cute. And I love vintage stuff, so she put this vintage postcard in here. She knows I love old vintage stuff. And this she stamped, and look at that cute tag. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. She did lots of sewing on paper and putting the papers together and tearing them. Has a poem about butterflies. She did collage. Look at that fun collage page. Love it. Love it. And then this is a ribbon punch. You go along the edge and you punch, and then you feed your ribbon through, and it makes this neat border edge with ribbon. Some more cute little tags, a tag with wire, some washi tape on the back. Super cute. Look at this cute little book she made. She sewed this little book together out of pages out of a book about flowers. So cute. This page is just adorable. She did little Velcro pieces. She took the Velcro circles that are sticky backed and cut them in half and made these little journaling spots Velcro. And same with this. They Velcro open and closed. Isn't that just the cutest? And put little buttons on them to be the openers. Oh, so cute. She did an awesome job. And she knows I love sunflowers. The background is wallpaper, textured wallpaper. And the leaves and stem are ribbon. And then she ran paper cardstock through her embossing machine and made all these petals. And then she put some probably Nuvo drops, I'm guessing, or glossy accents around that. But look at that beautiful sunflower page. I love it. I love, love, love that page. It's one of my favorites. And then this cute bird page and this card. Look at this old card. So fun. This is from a card sent to your great-grandma Mousick in 1932. Isn't that neat? So this was from a birthday card that went to my great-grandmother in 1932. Cute. And look at this cute tag. Oh my gosh, it's just darling. Look what she did. She worked so hard on this journal for me. Best gift ever. So cute. She stamped and inked, and oh my gosh, it's just beautiful. And this, she drew this desert scene years and years and years ago when my mom and my stepdad used to go camping a lot. They would sit and sketch, and she did this sketch, and so she put it into the book. I need to spray it because she didn't spray seal it, and I need to seal it so it doesn't fade. But then she cut a mountain line and made that the place to put a tag with cactuses on it. Look at that cute cactus tag that sticks behind coming out of the hills. So pretty. This cracks me up. This greeting card, this was a get well card for my brother when 50 plus years ago we lived in Michigan, and he was very, very, very sick there. That's why we moved to Arizona. He had allergies so bad he was always in the hospital with pneumonia, and someone sent him this card, and she turned it into a pop-up in my journal and said, "Hope you love this journal." Look what she put on the little tag, she covered up the get well part and put hope you love this journal, and so it pops up. Is that the cutest thing or what? Oh my god. This journal is just the sweetest thing ever. Here's another fun collage page. Cool, nifty old stuff on a collage page with a very neat laser cut tag. And then there's the back with the paper that was inside of the book. Isn't that cool? So I just wanted to do a flip through and show it off because it needs to be shown off. She did a beautiful job. It's super, super thoughtful and something I'll tuck things in and write in and treasure forever. So, love my birthday journal from my mom, and I hope you enjoyed the flip through. Have a great day. And go make a journal, because art soothes the heart.